Hello, my name is Jason Timmins. I'm here to show you MBM Secure File Transfer. Now, the design goals for this application were to allow businesses to receive files from potential clients securely in a managed and GDPR compliant way, instead of customers being asked to send in their confidential documents over email, because as we know, email is not secure, and you also end up with customers' documents sitting in your inbox and email archive, and clients themselves also end up with their confidential documents sitting in their sent items folders, which again is not ideal for GDPR. Better therefore to use a service like Secure File Transfer to move files between organisations in a sort of formal way. So let's just take a little look at the process, and you can see for yourself how easy and really quite powerful this process is. So I'm going to log in here to our portal, and we're going to do this as a pretend mortgage broker called MBM Mortgages. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to sign in using my Microsoft Office 365 account. You can log into the service using your own email address and password, alternatively you can use any of these other services. So let me just sign in, and then you can see the user interface. So this is the file manager that allows you to see all the users that you've got, all the clients that you've got configured on the system. As you can see, there are no clients presently configured, so let's add one. And this is the process where you are looking to get some documents from a client or potential client in a secure fashion. So what we're going to do is add them to the system, and then they will be sent a link that they can use to upload files to you. So let's add a new client. I'm going to use, in this case, my Hotmail account. And I'm just going to complete that information here, and I can give myself a reference, and this might be if you run a like a case system or a potential customer system. Here you can put a reference in for this client, and I'm going to send the intro email, and that means that that my Hotmail account will receive an introductory email with the link attached asking me to upload some files. So you're assumed to have had a conversation with the client in advance, preparing them for the fact that they will need to send some documents. So let's send that email, and then now what I'm going to do is switch over to my Hotmail account in another browser window. We'll have a little look at what email has been received by the client. And you can see here that an email has come in from the service. It's addressed to the client. It mentions the company involved, and this is the name of the agent at the client, at the customer who is requesting the documents. And you can see here there's a link, and it's up to the client to click on the link and upload whatever documents have been discussed. It's not our business, of course, to understand what documents have been asked for. We just simply facilitate the mechanism, and then between you and the client you decide what documents need to be uploaded. So for a mortgage application, that might be something like pay slips and bank statements and what have you, which are clearly very private things and are no longer appropriate on email. So let's look at the client experience then. So let's just click on this upload link, and as is the way with these things, we need some terms and conditions. So here we are. You click on agree here, and this is the client upload experience. The client does not need to log in. All they need to do is upload files, and then that's their job done. So you can see here it's addressed to the client. This is the agent at the company, and it says here that the files will be sent straight to Jason at the mortgage broker. So let's have a little look and see if we can find some files to upload. This browse mechanism works on laptops and PCs, Macs, but also mobile phones, tablets, what have you, and you can upload whatever files are necessary to complete your application or to send to the company. So I've got a couple of PDF documents here, so let's upload those. So we've added those to the list. Let's click upload and send them to the service. And that's it. As far as the client is concerned, that's the process done. They've uploaded the files that have been asked for and they're free to go. Well, if we now turn our attention back to the email client inside the business, what we will receive now is an email from the service saying that some files have been uploaded by Jason Timmins Hotmail JWT003, and here's a link. Here are some links to let you download those files. So again, you'll notice here that the email does not contain attachments. These are simply secure links in order to download the necessary files. So let's have a little look at this PDF. So at this point in time, the system fires up and you get to see the secure document from the client, and here's the resume as well. And as you can see, these are all secure links here. This is coming in from the cloud, nice and secure, no problems around GDPR or anything like that. So you would expect the person inside your company to download these, process them as necessary, and then just, if you want to, you can simply forget about them. Because what happens is that after 30 days of inactivity on this customer's account, these files will be automatically deleted, so that you don't particularly need to worry about administering files and deleting clients and doing all that sort of thing. The system will do all of that automatically in the background. So once you've transferred the files you need, then the system will tidy up after itself. And what happens is that the client gets an email from the system saying that their files have been deleted. So let's have a little look at an example of that. So I've got an email here from the system that says, "Dear Jason, this is to inform you that the files you uploaded to MBM Mortgage Limited have been deleted, and here's a log of the deletion step." So we've removed some rows from the database and we've removed the files that were sent in. So this is important for GDPR purposes. You need to tell the client that files have been deleted and when and all that sort of thing. So it's quite an important step here. In terms of the service, you can also use the service to send files back to clients if you want to. So if you need to, you can choose the client that you want to send a file to. You can browse and then find the file that you're interested in sending. So let's just pick a random photograph here, for instance, click send, and then the file will be sent to the client, so you can send documents back to the client if necessary. So again, now if I switch back to my Hotmail account, have a little look in here. Let's just see, we've got a message about the Android home screen that was sent through. Let's see, hold on. There we go. So he says, "It's Dear Jason, Jason Timmins from MBM Mortgages has just sent you the following files." Here it is. You click on the file and you get to see the file. This is a PNG file. So the process is simple, and we found it to be very powerful. Our customers seem to use it for all variety of different things, but receiving private documents from clients is the primary goal of this system. So thank you for your attention. If you need to, if you'd like to hear any more, then you're welcome to email us or call us. You can email sft@mbmltd.co.uk or call us in the UK on 01902 324494. If you want to take a trial, then you're welcome to do so. There's a trial mechanism here that allows you to sign up, and we can use the system in its full capability for 14 days. And if you have any questions, we'd be delighted to hear from you. Okay, thank you for your time.